Using Claude with CapCut has been a game changer for video editing. So, here's how you can create aesthetic workflow animations like this one in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to sketch out what you want your workflow animation to look like. I'm personally using GoodNotes, however, you can use any other app that allows you to draw. This will give Claude a reference to how you want your animation to look. Once you're done, take a photo or save the image as we will be using it for step 2. For step 2, you're going to head over to Claude. Now, I would like to point out that you need either a Pro or Max plan for this to work. So if you like what you're seeing here, maybe it's a worthwhile investment for you. You're going to click on Design to activate Claude Design. Select the model as Opus, as it is Claude's flagship model for complex tasks. Leave Design Systems as is and select Animation for the template. Then, grab your sketch from step 1 and put it in. Alongside the sketch, we will be using this prompt here, which will be in the description. This is just the prompt I'm using. However, I have made it easy for you guys to tailor it to your own needs. For example, if you wanted a more youthful animation, you could change the vibe to bright and playful and maybe the color to yellow. So tailor the prompt to whatever context you need. Then paste it in and let Claude do its thing. The third step is to refine and export into CapCut. Now, I didn't quite like what Claude generated initially, so I'm going to tell it to make the step boxes more transparent and give it a more premium feel. Now, if you still don't like how this looks, you can keep telling Claude how to better refine your animation until you're satisfied. In the end, I ended up telling Claude to give me 3 different versions of the animations, and this is what it came up with. Now, I was very satisfied with this, and for this video, I ended up going with the first animation out of the 3. Now, once you're finally happy with the animation that Claude has generated, you want to hit the download button, and then drag to your desktop or save to your downloaded files, and then import it into CapCut. From here, you can use it for the purpose of the video that you need and adjust size accordingly, like so. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Mike and I work alongside Junius to help viewers with content creation and video editing. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.